Hello there, and thank you very much for opening up this video. I really do appreciate it. For those of people who don't know me, my name is James Bond. I'm a health and fitness expert based in the United Kingdom. Now, I'm a Liverpool supporter through and through, but on Sunday night, on Sunday the 3rd of November, I was watching Match of the Day 2, and I was deeply moved to see the horrific injury suffered by the Everton player Andre Gomes. And obviously our thoughts are with him, but also with his family. They must be undergoing some terrible trauma knowing what their loved one is going through. And no footballer should suffer such an injury, or no member of the public should suffer such an injury either. Okay, it truly was horrific. Now, I'm a Liverpool supporter through and through, but we Liverpool supporters owe the Everton supporters a great debt. I was there at the Hillsborough disaster, and the aftermath of the disaster played a tremendous psychological toll on the Liverpool football supporters. The Everton supporters can only be described as a tower of strength and support at such a horrific time. Now, in my own little way, I would like to give something back to Everton as a gesture of goodwill at no cost. I run an alternative health clinic in Ormskirk, Lancashire. I have a brilliant acupuncturist, a Dr. Michael, who is a pain relief specialist. Through his laser treatment, he's performed miracles on some professional footballers. He helps wound healing. He helps speed it up and help a wound heal faster, stronger, and better. Okay. And what actually happens, what I'm asking you here is, if you are an Everton supporter, please make sure this video gets into the hands of the Everton manager and he contacts me. I will arrange at no cost to the club for Andre Gomes to come and see us. Okay, I'll arrange an appointment with him to see Dr. Michael, and Dr. Michael will do his wonderful stuff. And this will, this will help the wound heal faster and better and stronger. Nobody should suffer such an injury. Our thoughts are obviously, I wish Andre Gomes a very speedy and full recovery. I dread to think what his family are going through. I really dread to think what they're going through. And at no cost, I will please bring this man in. At my expense, I'll get him to see our wonderful acupuncturist, who will help the wound feel. Well, the surgery would have been done by some expert orthopedic surgeons. However, the wound will heal faster, better, and stronger with some acupuncture from Dr. Michael. So if you are an Everton supporter, please, do make sure that your manager sees this video and he takes action. My name's Bond, James Bond. Leave you shaken but not stirred. Bye bye.